Hello. So the first V I'm going to show you, first program I wrote is called New Album Listing. I finished this one last May of 2024. Four months ago. And this one, what it does is it reads this folder, a music folder, and it grabs all the information and it writes a macro in Visual Basic, so I can add it into a Excel file. Now you can see there's nothing over here right now, and I'm going to run this program, and it's going to read the folders, and then it writes a macro in Visual Basic. You'll see it populate over here. There it goes. So here's the macro. It wrote the macro, and now everything's populated over here. Now it takes about 2 minutes because this is finished, so I can close this now. I don't need that. And it takes about 2 minutes for this for this first macro to run. And I'm gonna make this video really short because that's not what I was looking for. I'm just gonna do Excel. I need to do Excel. So there we go. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is somebody showed me this a long time ago. You have to so first. There's no macros in here whatsoever, and the way he showed me was you just record a macro, and then you stop recording a macro, and then you can view the macros. And now I can edit the macros, and now I can import these macros from this folder uh, right here. So I'm going to import these. And I'm going to import all three of them. There's the first one. See, it's the folder's the same folder. So import that one and that one. And now that's in there. So you can see that they're right here. Now, like I said, this takes about 2 minutes for this first macro to run. So it's going to look like it's doing nothing, but it's actually doing something. So now you can view the macros, and now they're there. They weren't there before, but now they're there. Remember, this takes about 2 minutes for this first macro. Okay, the first macro has finished. Now I'll go ahead and run the second macro. I'm trying to do this as fast as I can. This one goes much faster because it's just populating links from pages to pages. The first one created all the artist pages with all the music files. And there's a lot of artist pages and music files. Now I run the third macro, and the third macro creates the main page, and it links all the main pages with the other pages, and adds links to those as well. Okay, so now I'm going to show you that it works. The first thing and I'm going to do this really quick because I know it already works. So I'm just going to show you. First, you're going to notice it's going to give a warning. It doesn't trust any songs at first. So it plays a song. Your friends to stand beside now, and I'm going to show you another one. So we'll go back and we'll do it again. And what I'm going to show you is this time it'll do the same thing. It's going to ask for. It's going to say it doesn't trust it. So now I'm going to save, because if you save the file, then you don't have it work. Then you don't have to worry about it. And I'm going to save it right on the desktop. Yeah, that sounds good. And now when I play a song, it's not going to have any problems. It's not going to ask, because now it's going to trust everything, because it's on the. It knows that it can be trusted. So now I can go here. I'll just pick any song. This one. See, now it doesn't ask. Now it plays a song. So Daryl from Stereo's awesome. Looks like Daryl. How about this? I mean, I'm just showing you that it works. Do one more. So that's basically it. That program, what it does is it created a macro and in Excel, and it works. It works. So I'm going to come back. I'm going to show you some other things that I've done, but that's the first video.